Hi there, this is Akash, welcome to Designer Cave, and today we are going to learn how to edit your picture in Photoshop. Let's jump into it. Let's begin by selecting the mid portion of the picture. For this I will use Quick Selection tool. Click and drag, right-click, and select Layer via Cut. It will take the selected portion to separate layer. Let's bring our main character now. We have to make a smooth selection around our character. I prefer pen tool for this kind of selections. Right-click and select. Make selection. And now we need to open. Refine edge open select. Press shift and select and marks. Which will bring up refine edge dialog box. Use Refine Edge brush tool and click and drag over the edges of hair. Now take the character behind the books and above the background, let's adjust the size. I am trying to fit the character in this space. Now we can see our subject and background are clearly look like the character was just placed over the background. Here is the way I like to do. We begin with black and white adjustment layer. And what black and white adjustment layer gonna do for us? It allow us to focus on the brightness level. Now we'll need levels adjustment layer, make a clipping mask over the subject. Remember, if you take the slider to right, it will make your subject darker, and if you go towards left, it will make your subject brighter. Play a little with sliders until you think the brightness level of the pictures are blend together. I'm gonna stop here. See how well the subject and the background shares the same brightness and contrast level. Now let's spice up the picture. Merge all layers together. Select Filter, Camera Raw. We will make the little bit changes to the basic panel. The amounts will be different for your pictures. I think we are done. Let's hit OK. Here is the after and before of Camera Raw. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out any interesting video. Let's meet you in our next video. Until then, keep creating.